Hello everybody, what you're looking at is $10. These are 20 50-cent Canadian pieces. The majority of these contain 80% silver upwards to the year 1967. This is the newest half dollar that I have. Some of them are even sterling silver. A coin like this, it has 92.5% silver. The rest of them contain 80%. And there's 20 of them. So if I do some basic math, I could take 20, multiply 0.5, and I would get 10, which is the equivalency of a $10 bill. Let's look at the difference of these two. The weight of these coins collectively weighed in today at 232 grams, where the weight of this $10 bill weighed in at 1 gram. And back in the day when you traded this money or you held this money, what this meant was that you had an insurance policy, meaning if anything happens to the dollar, whatever these coins are worth, you are going to have. Meaning, a lot has happened to the dollar, and therefore when you get these 50-cent pieces, generally speaking, it's going to cost you $6 or so a shot to buy one of those half dollars because of the silver that is located in it. We can take different other uses of $10 because we got $10 here in quarters. These quarters weighed in at 233 grams, which was 1 gram more than the half dollar, and that would be an equivalency to a $20 bill, and it weighed in today at 1 gram also. So what is this money? It's a bunch of coins. It's a bunch of silver. After all, these Canadian coins contain 80% silver. This is the only American quarter that I have that contains silver. Only one. That's very interesting. And some of these quarters, I don't know if I can see any here, like the half dollars, you may find some sterling ones at 92.5%, but nonetheless, when you collected these quarters back in the day, or you put them under your bed or in a box outside and buried it somewhere, your value would have been restored. For if you would have purchased $100 worth of these, or bought 10 rolls of quarters for $100, then you could very easily make over 900% on your investment. Now, money used to say silver certificate, and I don't have one of those dollars, but this is a Canadian dollar from back in the day, and what you will see on here, it has a legal tender. This note is a legal tender, which is telling you that it is legal. Now, the older Canadian dollar bill didn't say that. It said, and this is not in greatest of shape, but it's old, will pay to the bearer on demand. That's what the 1954 $1 bill said, where it got upgraded or changed to this note is a legal tender. Now today, with our money, what we have is money that is in fact durable. So it is good in the sense that if you put this money in a washing machine and through the drying cycle, it is going to be fine. In fact, it may get rid of some germs. After all, if you look at my hands now, they're a little bit more dirty than they were at the start of the video. Reason why? Because I was touching these coins. And this is dirty money. Money is dirty in its uses and a lot of the ways that it is portrayed. So, quite frankly, what I'm going to have to do at the end of this video is wash my hands again. But when you receive this $10 bill, say from a convenience store or at the Walmart or wherever, You don't know how many times this bill has exchanged different hands. Same thing with this money here. You don't know how many times it has exchanged hands. That's why maybe washing these bills may not be that bad of an idea. I don't know. However, when you had this money, you had protection. Question is, how much protection would you have if you hold these two pieces of paper for 30 years? Thank you for watching and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.